We will use these parts: core machine, core panel, electrode rod, white LED light with FPC wire, T8 screws, pentagonal nuts, electrode-specific T6 bolt, the FPC wire press sticker. Now we start. First, we need to judge which side is Y-axis. When you find this black ground wire, then this side is the Y-axis. We put the white LED FPC wire through this cable hole. Second, remove the Y electrode rod protect gap and put the Y electrode rod on the Y side electrode position. Use this electrode specific T6 bolt to lock it tightly. Third, put the LED light on the light holder. Use the 4M sticker to press the FPC wire on the electrode rod tightly. Fourth, put the nuts in the fixed holes. First we put the left two nuts, then we put the right ones. Fifth, put the core panel on the machine. And what we need to know is that this side with heater base is the Y-axis. And we need to make sure the heater base side is correct on the Y-axis. Then we use the 4 T8 screws to lock the panel. And we also need to know that first to install the diagonal screws to make it stable. It is like this. 6. Paste the screw cover on the T8 screws to make them invisible. Then we are done.